In this video, we're going to have a look at how to write a proof to prove that two triangles are similar using the rule side, angle, side. So in our example, we want to prove that triangle BAE is similar to triangle BDC. So we start off by having a look at what information they've given us. And they've given us the length of two sides on each of our triangles. So we need to go ahead and match up our corresponding sides. And the easiest way to do that is by looking at the largest side on both triangles. So on the first one, it is going to be 36. And on the second one, it is going to be 24. So the two largest sides are going to be corresponding. And then looking at my two smaller sides that they've given us, 27 and 18 are going to be corresponding. So first of all, I want to determine the scale factor of those two sides to see whether I can use the rule side, angle, side. So scale factor is going to be equal to 36 divided by 24. And that scale factor is going to equal to 1.5. So now I want to go ahead and calculate the scale factor for my second set of sides. So scale factor is going to be equal to, now because I started off with the first triangle for my numerator in my first scale factor calculation, I need to start off with the first triangle again. So it's going to be 27 over 18, which is equal to 1.5. So you can see that I've got two sides and the scale factor of both those sides are 1.5. So if I can prove that I've got an angle between those two sides that are the same, I can use the rule side, angle, side. So having a look, I need to prove that this angle and this angle are the same. And I can do that using my vertically opposite angles rule. So I can prove that triangle BAE and triangle BDC are similar using the rule side, angle, side. So now I want to go ahead and write my proof. And first I'm going to write that line EB over line BC is equal to line BA over line BD, which is equal to 1.5. So I'm proving that I got two sides with the same scale factor. I also need to prove that I got an angle that is the same in between those two lines. So angle ABE is equal to angle DBC. And I need to write down how I know that, and that is the vertically opposite angles rule. So I can write down the symbol for vertically opposite angles, and I have now proven that I've got two sides with the same scale factor, one angle that's common between both. So I can go ahead and write my conclusion. So therefore, triangle BAE is similar to triangle BDC using the side, angle, side rule. So I need to write that down as my justification for saying that the two triangles are similar.